Hey everybody, welcome back to the Sheepdog Logics channel. Sheepdog Logic. Yeah, sometimes you gotta wonder about your own logic, right? But hey, today's last day I got to work on this cab over. Thought I'd do something a little different today. As you know, I've been working on that shock. Okay, here we go. Shock bolt nut. Bottom bolt nut will not budge, will not come off. I've used everything in my arsenal, but I'm gonna do something different. In my last video, I talked about maybe taking them U-bolts off, simply because of the rust buildup on that on the top block. The U-bolts go around the bottom of the leaf springs, and on top of the leaf spring is that plate that holds the bottom shock mount to the leaf springs, and then on top of that goes a block, about a 1-inch block. And there's just a lot of flaky, how do I call it, rust. Like the top couple of layers have come off and whatnot. And I don't want to be going down the road ever and have that front end come loose whatsoever. So I'm thinking I'm just going to take them U-bolts off, and then I can take that shock mount off, and then I can get new U-bolts and put new U-bolts back on there, replace if any. I know the leaf springs are fine. Maybe that top block, I don't even think I got to replace that top block. I think it just simply needs to be cleaned up a little bit and new U-bolts put in place. That'll make me feel a lot safer. So that's what I'm working on this morning. I went ahead and put the tarp back down where I had it yesterday, and I got my batteries all charged up to my Milwaukee tools, and I've relocated the jack underneath the outer part of the axle so I can lift up the axle and move the boards out of the way that are in the way of getting the nuts off the U-bolts. So that's where I'm at right now. Thought I'd bring you along for the ride. So I'm gonna set you up so you can watch. And I think I don't have to get you up as high this morning, so I think I can use this right here. Oh, there we go. All right. Let's see if we can get this to work right there. Let's see what you can see. Hopefully the sun ain't gonna give us. Yeah, is this in the way? It looks like it might be. All right. I don't want to get you too close. Got to get you close enough. Let's see where we're at. I have to get down. Yep, you got to come down, son. I'm okay. All right, looks like you can see what I'm doing. Yep, okay, so let's jag up this axle. I got the wheels chalked in the back so she won't roll. And this is just temporary anyway. I'm just relocating the block, the wood. Not taking it out completely. Uh-oh. I might not have enough jack. Oh, yep, I do. All right. Well, I can stay there. Holy crap, this is buried in the wood, or in the ground. There we go. Well, I might have to take that out and clean it up. That dug a big hole in the ground. That's okay, I might be able to utilize that when I need the room. I've been sitting there a while.
There's some ramps a friend of mine made, and then he decided he didn't want to do what he had planned to do. He planned to change his own oil. He did it once, maybe twice, and then didn't want to do it no more. So he gave me the ramps and this oil pan. It cost him $100. I will change my own oil. I don't have a problem with that. That should be good enough. There ought to do it. Oh, come on. Let's go up a little bit more. Oh, come on. Seriously. Here we go. That does not want to go in there. Oh, I'm gonna be at the maximum. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Make sure it's centered. Oh, come on. That'll work. That'll work. I'll leave this over here just for support. I don't think it's going to do anything to take it out, but yeah, it's fine. Well, it's going to be a hot one today. Well, I'm gonna go get me a wire brush real quick. Clean up them bolts with the nuts on them on the U-bolts before I start reefing on them.
camera? Why are you acting all... There we go. All right, I know right where one's at because I just used it already this morning. I ain't got the big wire brush, but this one will do. There might be a big wire brush around here somewhere, but ain't no telling where. I got a little one, that'll work. Hope you all doing good today. I know I am. It's Father's Day. I've got 5 children, 5 grandchildren. All right. These don't look too bad, I guess, being on the bottom. I don't know, they look like they've been on there for a while, but they don't look too bad. All I'm doing now is cleaning up the threads on the underneath the nut, so I don't have any problem with that area anyway. See, even if I had a big wire brush, I wouldn't be able to get it up in here, so. Okay. All right. Now I might as well leave this out here. Now I need the fly off or free off. I'm gonna spray them with free off. I'm gonna spray them free, y'all. I try to be funny, humorous. Why not? Better to be happy and funny than it is to be sad and lonely. Oh. I'm gonna have to let these sit for a while. Man, I should see there. Glad I kept that wire brush. I should wire brush the top where them bolts go through that plate. Or U-bolts go through that plate. Might be able to get some penetrating oil down in there.
let's get this other. Ouch. Wouldn't be me if I didn't bump my head at least one time.
There you go.
Yeah, there we go. Well, they're cleaned up, lubed up, ready for work. Now we got to get the socket to fit it. See, I told y'all I didn't mind getting dirty. Got to take my weekly shower today anyway. All right. Well, let's go get some tools, shall we? Let's see. I'm gonna get the 3/4 drive, the right one. I got the batteries all charged up, so we shouldn't be having any problemos. There's the 3/4 drive. There's the big battery for her. I'll set you guys down up here if I can. Oh yeah, right there, right there. Just so you can see what I'm doing, and I can use 2 hands. I know you don't need to see everything I'm doing, but it helps, right? All right. There's that. Now we need some sockets. And that one, to take off the that shock bolt nut, is a 1 1/16. 1 1/16. So I'm thinking it's a tad bigger, so I'm gonna bring the 1/8 and the 1 1/4, just for shits and giggles. And oh shit, man. Haha. These are 3/8 or 1/2 inch drive sockets. I don't have my reducer. Wait a minute though, I might. Let me see what I got. Damn. Shit. Well, we're gonna have to go see if we can find one, because I need a 3/4 to 1/2 inch reducer. 3/4 inch female to 1/2 inch male reducer.
Well, that's gonna suck if I ain't got one, because ain't no sense of using the 1/2-inch drive. I mean, I might as well try it, right? Might take that beast for a ride today. Maybe. It's Father's Day, why not? Go for a ride. All right, put you up here because I'm gonna be looking in this red toolbox first and foremost. There's that. Everybody always wants to put stuff in the wrong drawer. Wrenches and screwdrivers don't go in this drawer. That goes in that drawer. The screwdriver goes in that drawer. Let's see, do we got anything? I really don't. I don't remember ever seeing that big of a reducer while looking in all these drawers for tools over the years. So I'd be surprised. I don't think it's in any drawer. I just don't think it's around here. I don't think he had one. He ever bought one. He never. Pops worked on his own cars. But he didn't buy a lot of tools. I mean, there's not a lot of tools in that box for a man that was in his 60s. You can't really see everything, so you might as well see my mug, huh? I'm just looking in these drawers, and I've been in these drawers dozens of damn times. There ain't nothing in here that I don't know about. I may forget what's in what drawer, but I've been through these drawers so much. Did I bring them sacks? No, I did not. I really think it's going to be, I mean, it's not much bigger than, it's probably going to be an 1/8, 1 1/8. In worst case scenario, I can cut them damn U-bolts. I'm getting new ones anyway. And I got a cutter. I got a cutter. Yeah, it's definitely 1 1/8. 1 1/8. I'm betting money on it. Anybody want to take a bet? And I might as well bring my 1/2-inch drive, because that's all I got right now. And I gotta go get my battery that's sitting on the counter in my camper from being charged. So let's go do that, shall we? I hope y'all like my videos. I'm working on them. I posted that one from yesterday. It's an hour long. There wasn't no real way to knock it down shorter, you know. Yeah, I could have just cut it off, but then maybe, and I'm sure that would have been all right. But I'm trying to do I don't watch people that got less than 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I do watch them. Shouldn't have said it like that. I do watch them, but what I really watch is the people that got 1 million plus. And here's why: because their videos are a whole lot different. And I'm not talking about the content, just the content. I ain't talking about just the content. I'm talking about the way they. Oh, you're gonna fall over, ain't you? I gotta put this battery on here. Takes 2 hands. I'm a good catch. One thing about these Tecton tools, they fit on there. Let me tell you, they fit on there good. So anyway, so I watch, and I research. When I research videos and how to do YouTube videos, I watch the million plus subscriber videos and see how they do their videos. And no, I ain't saying I'm anywhere near that. I only got one camera. I got an iPhone 12 on a gimbal, and I'm getting used to it. And I think I should get, you can't just jump into thousands of dollars of equipment and think you're going to be a professional right off the bat. Yeah, equipment can make you look professional, but you ain't going to be a professional at it. I'm 53 years old, and I haven't been editing film my whole life. In fact, I just started a couple years ago, and I'm a novice at best. So I watch the million subscribers plus, and I watch how they do their videos, how they look, how they run, how long they are, color, everything. And so that's what I'm trying to mimic, not the 1,000 or less subscribers. Yeah, they're fine for what I watch, but not for what when I want a lot of subscribers, which everybody does, don't they? Then I want a million plus. Will I ever get there? I don't know, but should I shoot for it? You damn right, I'm shooting for it. So I'm gonna make the best videos I can, and I'm gonna experiment in the beginning and see what happens. But we'll see if we can get this one of these nuts. I should really let them sit for a while. I'm gonna let them sit for just a little. I don't know what happened there, but I'm gonna have to.